decisions. So I would say yes, just as soon as possible is the best time to engage our services.
Not just for older adults.
Yes, it's
They,
not
they serve a variety
yes.
of population.
We do serve a variety of folks and at all different levels. A lot of folks we work with have brain-based conditions. They might be living with Parkinson's, mild cognitive impairment, ADHD, depression, anxiety, things like that. So we're there to help with both the physical and the. It's not just about the stuff, as we all know, right? There's a lot of emotion behind it. It can be a hard journey, or harder for some than for others. So we're there to help ease the way.
Do you have a continuum of, like, do you come in, some people just want you to help give them an idea of what to do, and that's all you do? And then sometimes you're helping all the way to if they're moving. Do you do everything in between?
Yes, we do everything from A to Z. So sometimes folks are maybe able to do more on their own, and we come in and we just help with advising or coaching or making a plan for their transition. And then for other folks, they would like to, what we call, hit the easy button and have us come in and do everything from soup to nuts, and we're happy to do that as well. And oftentimes they are very relieved. We've even had clients go on vacation while we move them, and then their families are relieved as well. It takes the burden off their shoulders.
You seem like a very calm person. I think that would be helpful because it can be stressful.
It can be. So
I feel like I'd have to clean my house before I had you come.
No, there's no judgment from our team.
Okay.
And we tell people that please do not do anything before we come.